welcome to my Christmas Decorate With Me video for this year. It's a very exciting one because it's my first Christmas in my own apartment. So I did have some fall decorations up, so the first step is of course to get rid of those and then clean everything, wipe everything down so that we can start with a fresh slate.
When Christmas comes to town, it's getting cold. Baby, I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go.
And of course, I'm already getting into the Christmas spirit by using a Christmas scented multi-purpose spray. This is Peppermint by Mrs. Meyer's. They really do have the best scents.
I just need you, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, you make it all okay.
As you can see, there's a ton of Christmas decorations over here. So I'm just gonna do a quick little haul and then we'll get started with the decorating. This year, I'm pretty much almost completely starting from scratch since it's the first time doing Christmas in my own apartment. So I have been collecting a lot of things. This is also a giant mess, so I do need to like sort of organize it, I think, before I start decorating. First, we've got this throw pillow from Target. It's like a knit material and it's got little gold thread going through it. This is my mini Christmas tree. I put this up at my desk in the office. I've got some white ornaments from my old decorations from my room in the past. We are going to be getting the tree tomorrow. Some glittery white ornaments from Amazon and some glittery white snowflake ornaments from Amazon as well. Got a little stocking hook. I don't have a fireplace, but I'm still gonna have a stocking just because it's so cute. This is from Target. All right, this is a curtain rod. I plan to do a little DIY with some garlands with this. These are some flocked garlands from Target. They have little pine cones on them. The flocking is definitely really messy. Sparkly fake Christmas tree branch. This is an old decoration that I have as well. Pink reindeer head from my old room. I might be bringing this to my office since I'm not really doing pink in this apartment this year. Some more sparkly branches. And these are just little mini pink ornaments for my mini Christmas tree for the desk at the office. Some gold ornaments from Target. And this is a Starburst tree topper, also from Target. It twinkles. I'm so excited to put this one up. I also got little like gift stickers and some gift wrap as well. I don't know, I might return one of these. See, like this one has pink and I'm torn because I do like the pink Christmas look, but I also am not really doing pink this year. All right, these are from Home Goods. How cool are these? These are like gift sacks. Imagine seeing this when you were a kid. That would have been so cool. But I think I'm just gonna fill this up with like some random newspaper or something and just use it as decoration because I think it looks super cool. And then we've got our Christmas tree skirt from Target. It's like a cable knit material. A cable knit stocking also from Target. And then a bunch of these little twinkle lights for the tree. Little mini tree from World Market. It's a little bit sparkly too. Another little Christmas tree, a little bit different this time though, also from World Market. How cute! Super pretty sparkly glittery gold tree, and this one, which is a slightly more champagne tone. They're like very similar. This one is new from Home Goods and this one is one that I've had in my old room. Like they're literally the same basically. Two glittery gold reindeers. All right, yeah, I've got a lot of stuff. These are pre-lit garlands from Kohl's. They were on sale, so I thought it was a good deal. Ta-da! So pretty. Another little Christmas tree branch from Home Goods. A white sparkly Christmas tree. This one lights up, but it needs C batteries, which I still haven't gotten. Some gold ribbon. I might use this in decor and also on gifts. These super pretty Christmassy sheets. They've got little reindeer and Christmas trees and holly berries on them. These are from Home Goods. Another sparkly white tree. This one doesn't light up though. Home Goods. This is a really cute wooden reindeer. It's got some gold foil on it too. It kind of like reminds me of Sweden. Some more gold ribbon. Cute little napkins. Oh, these little gift tags. I forgot about that. A little set of gift bags. Cupcake baking cups. I need to make something. And then we've got a candle. This is Apple Cider and Fir by Red Leaf Home. Oh, that smells really good. And then there's cinnamon and clove, also Red Leaf Home. And then finally a couple more old decorations that I brought. A few gold like twig branch pieces, some cute ornaments that I did think fit the aesthetic. This one is so cute. It's like a little white fox, but the nose is coming off. I need to glue that back on. A bunch of these glittery gold pine cones. I used to hang those up in my room, but they're gonna be going on the tree this year, I think. And then some little white jingle bells and some of these little gold balls that I could just put somewhere random, I don't know. And a few craft supplies because I am going to be doing like a little DIY, I think. So yeah, I think that's all of the Christmas decorations that I have for now. I am expecting another garland in the mail. We're going to be getting a tree, of course. I am going above and beyond this year because I really struggle with winter and Christmas is the only thing that gets me through. I love decorating. It's like my favorite part of the holiday. As you can see, I'm sort of going for a natural but glittery theme. So there's a lot of natural elements like branches, pine cones, garlands, twigs, but there's also some glitter. There's the glittery white accents and some gold as well. So no red, nothing like that. I'm very excited because this is very different from the past, my whole life really. Actually, I've never done anything quite like this before. So this is actually pretty much my first time having a real Christmas tree. I mean, I had real Christmas trees when I was a kid, but I don't really remember that. So it's honestly been really fun. Trader Joe's always sells like the perfect little bunches of foliage or florals, and it's just so nice to decorate with. So I got this little bunch of pine branches and I'm just putting them in these little wall holders, and I think it just looks so nice. One of my favorite spots here. I feel like it's so on brand for me to get a Christmas tree that's too big. We literally had to cut the top off, but it's okay because those branches went to good use with the decorations. And we were, of course, listening to some Christmas music while decorating, and then later we actually ended up throwing on the Grinch. Since I had to get a bunch of new ornaments this year, it took a really long time getting all the strings on. I do love the mix of gold, white, and then the little snowflakes, and then we also have little pine cones. I always like for there to be some variety, but also stay kind of in the same theme. There was a huge mess to tidy, but before going to bed, I just wanted to hang up these garlands in the bedroom on the windows. I think it looks so pretty.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
I don't have a fireplace in my apartment, so I'm just hanging my stockings on this little console table under the TV.
That I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas. The first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
So our Christmas tree was a little bit too tall, so this log is actually just the base of the Christmas tree that we cut off, and I think it looks so good as decor. And I've also been loving putting little pieces of like the branches, the Christmas tree branches, in any spot that looks a little bit bare.
Till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that innocence to
I think this bedding is so cute, and I've actually been using the same sheets since I've moved in, just plain white ones, so it's really nice to have a little change. Plus they're also really like silky. Well, they're silkier than the ones I was using before, so I've been slipping around a little bit at night, but it feels nice. Throw blankets and throw pillows are like essential for decorating, especially in the winter time. They just make everything look way cozier, and I'm even swapping out some of the decorations on my desk.
nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
I plan on getting some more throw pillows, but not in time for this video to come out, so stay tuned on my Instagram to see that. I also plan on doing a couple more decorations and DIYs. As a reminder, this is what the apartment looked like before with all of the fall decor up, and this is what it looks like after.
It is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram to stay up to date with the rest of my Christmas decor that I'm still planning on doing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!